Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Idlis are definitely one of the most loved breakfasts in South India, and there are many variations to it in different parts of the country. So today I'm going to show you all a really nice Kanchipuram Idli recipe which is famous in Tamil Nadu. This is pretty different from the usual white and soft idlis that we make, and it is full of wonderful flavor. So let's check out how to make this very different and unique Kanchipuram Idli recipe. For this recipe, you have to take both rice and urad dal. Take 1 cup of raw rice with 250 ml cup measurement. Wash the rice well and soak it in water for about 3 hours. Take 1 cup of urad dal with a 250 ml cup measurement. Wash it and soak it for 3 hours. Now for making the batter, strain off the water and add the soaked rice to a mixer jar. Pulse the rice a few times to make sure it's not too fine. The grounded rice is a bit dry, so just add a teaspoon of water and pulse it again. So this is a nice coarse consistency we are looking for here. The batter for Kanchipuram Idli should never be too soft or smooth. This is the key for those perfect idlis. Once done, transfer the rice mixture to a large bowl and keep it aside. Now for the urad dal batter, add the soaked urad dal to the same mixer jar and pulse it into a coarse mixture like how you did with the raw rice. So you can see this is what we're exactly looking for. So do not overgrind the dal as well. Now you can remove the dal and transfer it to the rice mixture bowl. Mix everything together using your hand to make sure the batters are nicely blended with each other. Since this batter is too thick, I am adding a little bit of water at a time and preparing a lighter batter. I have added about half cup of water to this mixture in total, so that's enough for the right mixture. Now ferment the batter for about 8 hours at room temperature. After 8 hours, the batter has risen. Now add 4 tablespoons of curd to the batter. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. Check for seasoning and add salt if required. So this batter is good, but if you find it too dry or thick, you can just add a little bit of water and mix. Now take a tempering pan and add about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add 1/4 cup of roughly chopped cashewnuts. Fry them until they are golden brown in color and then transfer them to the batter. To the same pan, add 3 teaspoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. After the mustard seeds start splattering, add 1 tablespoon of roughly pounded peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of roughly pounded cumin seeds, some finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of hing and a few curry leaves. Mix it all well and turn off the stove. Transfer this prepared tempering to the batter and add 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Mix it all again. Keep mixing until the batter is a bit fluffy. That's it. Our Kanchipuram Idli batter is ready and we can make hot idlis with it now. I have taken these small cups and greased them already. I'm going to fill them up to about 50% level with the batter because the batter will rise while cooking and we don't want it to spill over in the cooker. Do the same with all the cups and place them in the idli molds on a regular idli plate. Keep the flame on medium-low and steam cook the idlis for at least 20 minutes. That's all. Our Kanchipuram idlis are ready now. You can wait for about 2 to 3 minutes to let them cool down a bit and then demold them from the cups. Using a knife to remove the idlis is a good option to make sure they stay in shape while getting them out. You can serve these with spicy tomato chutney or coconut chutney or even sambar by the side. These are very different from the usual idlis we make at home. Try these savory idlis and let me know how they turned out for you guys in the comment section below. So there you go, here is this really tasty Kanchipuram Idli, which I would say you must try it at home, because these idlis are available only in a very few restaurants around Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. You can enjoy these idlis with some nice chutney and sambar by the side. So do try it and let me know how it turned out for you guys, and share the recipe with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.